Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show you how to bold text on Facebook post. Alright, so let's say we want to send out a post. Alright, cats are free in the world. Okay, so this is the text we want to bold text. Okay, so all you have to do is copy this text. Once you copy this text, you go to your browser and search Lingo Jam. Okay, Lingo Jam. I'm going to leave a link in the description. So once you search Lingo Jam, you want to scroll down to bold text generator right here, then click on it. All right, so once you click on it, then you're going to paste the text we copied from our Facebook post down here. All right, so as we can see, we have multiple bold text generators here, so you can select whichever one you like. All right, so I'm going to go with this one right here. Then you're going to copy this text and then paste it back on your Facebook post. All right, so as we can see, our text is bold, then you can post your Facebook post. So this is the easiest way to bold your text on Facebook. If you gain something from this video, make sure to leave a like, comment, and subscribe to the channel.